XIYOUVE battery operated sconce 2-pack. Hang anywhere on the walls, campers, boats, and more. Let's open up the box, show you how nicely they are packaged. 2 brackets in gold, your light socket E26 with the glass housing cover in green design with the hardware and a 2-pack of LED bulbs. For further information, please check online. This resembles 110 VAC. It has the on and off cosmetic switch, E26 socket, the bell house nuts, the bracket in gold that you simply take off the nut on top and simply place into the socket of the glass and spin on the nut and lock down. A 90-degree gimbal adjustable in angles. At the workbench, we're going to demonstrate just hanging and show you downstairs what it looks like hung up. Simply find a spot, lock down. With the light, simply align to the 2 bolts and place back on the bell house nuts and lock down. With the bulb, with the USB-C compliance cable, plug in with your own supplied brick charge. As we charge the unit at 5.0 volts or more, 0.9 amps or more, we have a red LED light inside indicating charge. With the lights off, you can see the indication of charge and the voltage. The unit can be operated via remote control or the manual switch by a short press to turn on, long press to dim down and dim up, and short press to shut off, and short press to turn back on at the memory. Please remember to remove the plastic tab of the 2025 or 2032 battery. With the remote control, we have the off and on in orange color. This has a built-in memory. By turning on, we are on the 6000 Kelvin. We have 3, 4, and 6000 Kelvin. We have the RGB and 6 colors. We have a solid color that goes from color to color every so seconds. We have a dim down and an increased light when on the 6000, 4000, or 3000 Kelvin. We could dim down the light as you see by increments. We have the R, the G, the B, and then we have the 6 colors. And then we have the night light in an orange. We have a 30-minute, 60-minute, and 120-minute timer. These are easy to hang lights for those times of outages and more. Simply screw in the base, and when need to charge, simply pull and remove. They can be basically placed on anywhere that is magnetic, and using a single remote control turns both lights on. In order to get the lights to go on in sequence for 6000 Kelvin, hit the 6000 Kelvin, and there you are. Place into the holster that holds it on the base your light. These are green battery operated lights. Let's shut the lights off so you can see the actual brightness of each of the lights. Put them in a room, bathroom, hallway, staircase, and more. A kid's room. Pick a color or pick the RGB design that will change the light to a sequential color of your choices. Hitting the remote control onto the flash colors. Every few seconds they'll change colors. They have a fade from one color to the other or a solid change over color by hitting the buttons again by pointing at the unit. They will go into different sequences: red, blue, a flash, and a breathing. So if you're looking for RGB lighting, night lights, and more, this product may be something that you are interested in. I hope you enjoy the battery-operated Sconce lights, fully rechargeable in a number of hours with long running time. Thank you for viewing.